Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you the best that Chiang Mai has to offer, from the gorgeous temples to the elephant nature park and some of the best coffee that I've ever tasted. I hope you enjoy. We are so excited we're finally here in Chiang Mai after 24 hours of traveling, and the hotel looks amazing. Dwayne's about to watch some basketball and I'm gonna do a quick room tour. We were so fortunate to stay at Chiang Mai Riverside Hotel. The reviews on TripAdvisor are amazing and I see why. Not only does your suite have your own dining room and kitchen, but you have a lovely living room with an Apple TV that looks outside with a balcony. Also with your bedroom, again, balcony view, your own vanity, another Apple TV. The bathroom, everything is just so spacious and clean, and the way the room flows or the suite flows is so nice. So much closet space as well. Perfect stay. I can't wait to relax in this nice comfy bed and take a nice shower, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. The next morning I decided to have tea on the balcony and enjoy the gorgeous view while room service delivered our breakfast. At the hotel you can decide if you would prefer having breakfast in your suite or at the restaurant. Clearly you can see which we chose. The food is impeccable and you can have it delivered at any time that you wish. This was a perfect start to our day because we started off with our visit to Elephant Nature Park, which is a sanctuary for elephants. Please, please, please do your research on the tourism industry and the effects that this has on elephants. I'm so thankful for places like this that rescue elephants from all sorts of abuse. This documents my day there, as well as learning the stories behind all of these beautiful elephants.
And we rescued people from elephant trekking.
This elephant in particular, as you can see, its leg is broken due to the trekking industry. So today we are at the Elephant Nature Park, and these are two best friends that we're next to. Elephants are just so joyous, so playful. Meeting them, you would never ever expect some of the trauma that they have gone through. It's really amazing. We met so many elephants, some that have broken legs, broken hips, from the trekking industry, from giving rides. If there's a place that's having elephants do tricks or having you ride them, please be aware and just know the truth behind it. It's basically elephants, they choose their family essentially. When they're stripped from their family, they can forge other bonds with other elephants to kind of create that bond. So we're gonna see another family or another herd group right now.
Scratching, sometimes elephant is scratching the width, the curve of the ears, means she's getting old. The other side of
Zaya. I like your little hat, Luang.
Thanks, you used to hate on it.
I think it's perfect for this. It actually works. And it doesn't look as floppy. Elephant Nature Park does not just rescue elephants. Although that is its prime mission, it also rescues dogs, cats, and other animals. So you'll see so many animals while you're at the park.
with other friends, the older friends, and But she used to have another friend, but unfortunately we lose another friend because she has.
This elephant is actually blind due to being in the circus. The lights at the circus are actually really hard on elephant eyes. Elephants' eyes are very sensitive, so a lot of them will lose their vision after a while. Elephants are such gorgeous, gorgeous creatures. This was seriously an experience of a lifetime. After our time at Elephant Nature Park, the next thing for us to explore was the temples. And we actually did a tour, a guided tour, which was amazing, picked us up from our hotel. And our first stop was actually Doi Suthep, which is probably the most notable in Chiang Mai. Okay, so we are climbing Doi Suthep. Turns out there are 306 steps. So we're not too far away, and it's really beautiful, like on the route up. I highly recommend, if you want the most of your experience, to get a guided tour. It's one thing, it's undeniable when you walk in to see the beauty, but to learn the history behind everything, as well as to really be immersed into the culture, I feel like that only comes with a guided tour. I really love Doi Suthep because not only did you get to have the temple experience, but then you also get to have an amazing view of Chiang Mai at the top. Really amazing. And we're pretty much done. That wasn't bad at all.
It was nice. Worth the ride up the mountain.
Yeah, the walk up the mountain isn't that bad. It's 306 steps. It's not the worst. On the way down, a lot easier. But like our tour guide was saying, that because it's on a mountain, it's cooler and it's not as humid and hot. And I don't know, it's just really nice.
Now we're going to see the ruin Chedi first over there.
Oh, okay.
We come back to see
Oh.
the hall. This one we call the ceremony hall, or vihan or vihara. In English, ceremony hall.
Next, we are off to Wat Chedi, which is an ancient structure that was actually built in 1411.
The elephant helped to rise up the Buddhism. The elephant style came from the middle of my country, and the body, the square, is a corner, one corner, two corner, came from Burma.
In most temples, you want to make sure that you are dressed modestly, as well as that you always take your shoes off. This will be stated to you once you arrive. Most places have places where you can get garments to either cover your shoulders or your legs, but just a tip, come prepared. Just dress modest when entering the temples out of respect.
It's called Wat Chedi Luang. Chedi or Chedi is that one, like a pyramid. And this one, this temple is important because we have the big gate Chedi here.
Our last stop for the temple tours was the stunning Wat Suan Dorg. Absolutely gorgeous. After our tour of the temples, we headed back to our hotel to have dinner Riverside. It was such a romantic setting. The ambiance was absolutely beautiful. The lighting, the river, the delicious food, and the drinks are amazing. They have a daily happy hour, which we were able to catch. It was definitely a great evening. You'll be shining so bright, strawberry champagne. After that, I wasn't necessarily ready to call it a night, so I decided to just lounge out poolside and dip my feet in and just really take in the nature and the sounds.
We're very bad. passing moment. Thoughts of you run through my head. I am slowly realizing.
The next morning started with another lovely breakfast, and we decided to head out into the city to do some shopping, get coffee, and a nice Thai massage. Okay, so we heard you cannot go to Chiang Mai without getting some coffee. So today we're here at Riverside. I looked it up on TripAdvisor and it had great reviews. So pretty excited. They had like tons and tons and tons of drinks to choose from. It's actually quite a bit, but it was super reasonably priced. So let's see what we get. So this was definitely worth all of the amazing reviews and the hype. I can see why it was rated so high. This is definitely a must-do in Chiang Mai. They also wrote a special cute little happy birthday note in my coffee, which I thought was super cute. Next, we headed off to the mall. I didn't really film too much in here. We actually afterwards decided to do a traditional Thai massage, which you can find almost everywhere. Just make sure you check the certification before getting a Thai massage. That pretty much does our time here in Chiang Mai. After this, we just grabbed our bags and took a tuk-tuk to the airport. We actually headed to Phuket next, which we already posted that vlog. Definitely check it out, as well as our times in Khao Sok and Bangkok.